what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have my first bootleg or my first China-made SNAA model or the Supernova kit, and I was not that happy to have this kit until I heard a review from Mecha Guy Kotsu that this is a good review for his model kit videos. So I am now convinced that since it was reviewed by other reviewers that this kit is a must-have, so I will now build this kit. Supposed to be I was about to sell this to someone, but now I am building this myself. So this is none other than the SNAA Hunt and Kill, and based on the people I know in the Facebook community regarding the Supernova kits of this Hunt and Kill, they said this is a nice build and a nice kit with a nice shelf present. So let's build this out. So the box art here of this Hunt and Kill mobile armor from SNAA or the Supernova is very big. Actually, this is a heavy box. I already removed the contents honestly, but this is heavy when I first handle it. And in the box we can see the nice pose of the silhouette this Gundam or mobile kit or mecha kit. I don't want to call this a Gundam because this is not a Gundam, but let's just call it a model kit. So the box is like this. We have this violet effect parts, and at first glance you can see or notice that it looks like the Heavy Arms custom. I thought it was a fusion of Heavy Arms custom and Full Saber, something like that. So I don't know what's this. When I received the box, I saw this SNAA Hayate blah blah blah. And, anyway, let's go to the side of the box. We can see the pose of the Hunt and Kill mobile armor, the flying pose with the spear, and yes, this one it holds the spear. To be honest, this dragoon here, it can also placed on the backpack. So that's what I will do after I build this kit. I will just make the dragoons on his back to save space. And I was what the fuck, China. So it says warning made in China, warning, it's made in China. I had a nightmare and trauma on building Chinese kits because Chinese kits sucks, to be honest. But based on the review, they say this is a good kit. Okay, let's try. But I was laughing when I saw this made in China, warning. Chowing hazard. The fuck, China. Choking hazard, it's choking. Anyway, that's Chinese. And we can see this mobile armor here, or the model kit here, posing for all the backpacks on his back, or the dragoons on his backpack. I like this pose, to be honest. I like this. And this is its weapon, the spear. Okay. And the dragons here. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the parts. So if you open the box, you can see instruction manual. So instruction manual is good. It's colored here, and you can see the parts list here. And I was happy to see that They are in the alphabetical order, and you can see how many parts are there. There's ×2, or the multipliers ×4, something like that. And the typical Chinese style of instruction manual, same like the Less Industrial, where I built a hand grenade Evangelion, my first ever bootleg. Okay, so you can see here how to build the parts. Judging on the look of this kit or the appearance on this manual here, it's a simple build. Maybe I can build this in 5 hours straight, maybe. But what I find tedious based on the review is when you build the dragoons, because it's a 4 dragoons, and there are 2 hand claws here like this, same like the Death Sight shield. So there are 6 dragoons for this kit. Maybe I will just skip from time to time when building that. So see, there are 4 main dragoons and the 2 side dragons for the hand. Yeah, that would be tedious to build. Anyway, let's try it. Let's try that. So the yellow parts, so mainly for the dragoons and the V-fins. What I find amazing is there are 4 V-fins. See? 1 here, 1 there. Then since this is 4, these are 4, you can see another V-fin there and another there. So I will not be worried if I broke the V-fins because I have 4 sets. So we have here bluish green runner, same like the heavy arm color. We have the clear parts. So let's focus first on the clear parts. We have these armor pieces here, and we have the effect part pieces for the dragons, which is this one. So clear purple parts. So we have black runners here, black runners for the dragons, then gray parts for the hands and white parts for the armor pieces. We have there again purple parts for the armor pieces and the armor pieces again. And what surprised me here is there's a stand included, which is nice because I will not buy from a third-party company because it has a stand included, and that's nice. And we have here gray effect parts, rather gray inner frame parts, not effect parts. So we have metallic gray. Actually, this is metallic gray color. Also this one, and white parts here. We have metallic gray parts, with purple, bluish green runners, and these clear runners here for the stand of the kit. Very nice. I think I'll enjoy this. God's willing, I will enjoy this and not to throw this. Okay, let's build this out. I'll not review the runners anymore because I know there are already videos with the runners being reviewed by the vlogger. Okay, let's build the Hunt and Kill mobile armor. Additional info of what I observed is the kits or the runners are packed together, like this one. Runner H is packed together with the runner H. The runner M is packed together with runner M, and runner I together with runner I. So kudos here to SNAA, and I love the organized packing of the kit. So let's build this up. And I forgot to mention that there is only one sticker included, which is the eye sticker, eye foil stickers, and dry transfer decal here. Very nice. I like kits with the minimum amount of sticker. And in the runners, we can see the SNAA made in China 2021. It's very nice.